Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best gas grill reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Blackstone 1554 Propane 36-inch Gas Grill Griddle Station. Griddles are large cooking area grills which can be used as outdoor cooking stations. And if you want to buy a long-lasting gas griddle grill that you can also pass on to your children as heritage, then Blackstone is the right choice for you. That is why this model is the best-selling gas griddle grill brand in America. Thus, if you have aforesaid expectations with your grill, then you must buy Blackstone 36-inch outdoor gas griddle station. Its audacious 720 square in. A cooking area lets you cook tasty food for a large number of guests in your backyard house party. It is equipped with an easy-to-press electric push button that helps in quick ignition of your gas grill. It has got 4 independently controlled stainless steel burners with long life. They create different cooking zones on your cooking grill, and you can cook multiple dishes at a time that require different temperatures. The easy-to-remove griddle top has thick rolled steel cooking surface. This enables your grill to have excellent heat distribution and retention for a long time. This cooks your food evenly and quickly. If you want to move your grill in your backyard easily, then its 4 industrial-strength caster wheels, 2 are lockable, allow you to fulfill your wish. Number 2. Our second best pick is Weber 510100001Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill. The Weber brand is sold in over 40 countries, and they are also known as synonymous with barbecuing innovation. Their liquid propane gas grill is another innovative product for you. It gives you a cooking area of 189 square in, which is sufficient if you live alone or with few people in an apartment. Generating tremendous heat of 8,500 BTU per hour, it cooks your food in a very short time. You can start your gas grill in quick time with the help of easy electronic ignition. The infinite control burner valve gives you any temperature you wish, which allows you to cook your food at any temperature you require. The large and easy-to-read built-in thermometer allows you to easily monitor and control the temperatures inside your grill. Its high-grade stainless steel burner tubes do not rust easily. It has got an angled grease tray and catch pan. This gives you an excellent grease management system for flushing out the juices of cooked meat. You can slide them out to clean and dispose of caught grease. It carries various ergonomic features like larger grip handles, easy-to-turn knobs, side handles, large-size fold-out side tables with greater rigidity. All these allow you to better control your grill. Further, its cast aluminum lid and body make it lightweight and rust-resistant, thus you can shift your grill from one place to another easily. Free Built app of Weber provides you 3D interactive assembly instructions of this product. It helps in easy installation of your grill. Number 3. Our third best pick is Cuisinart CGG 306 Chef-Style Propane Tabletop Grill. Large stainless steel grates are ideal for cooking large cuts of meat. So, if you are a fan of seared and smoked grilled meat, then this grill is for you only, as its large 2-zone cooking helps you do both simultaneously. Your gas grill has 2 long-lasting powerful stainless steel burners powered by electronic ignition, which allows you to start your grill easily. Each burner provides you with the heat of 10,000 BTUs that lets you do simultaneous grilling. This also cooks your food evenly and quickly. You can also set up 2 cooking zones by changing the heat of each burner. Your grill also carries an integrated thermometer and adjustable burner knobs to monitor and control the heat of your grill. This prevents your food from getting burnt. You also remain free of the hassle it takes to clean meat grease and other drippings, as it has a drip tray that collects all the droppings. You can also purchase a 20 pounds tank of propane, not included, to support your grilling on the go if you are on a picnic with your family or friends. A 4-foot LP hose connects your grill and tank. Your grill weighs only 22 pounds and is so small that you carry it in your car anywhere. Its locking cover, folding legs, and a comfortable carrying handle also assist you in taking it anywhere. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Char-Broil 4-burner cart-style liquid propane gas grill. It has porcelain-coated cast iron grates that are rust-resistant and can sustain high temperatures. This provides sufficient heat to your food and cooks it uniformly. Its reliable electric ignition fires up your grill easily without any delay with just a push of a button. It comes with 4 burners giving a total heat of 36,000 BTU. This allows you to cook multiple dishes at one time easily and quickly. You can control them also with easy-to-turn knobs for precise temp control. It also has a 10,000 BTU lidded side burner that helps in preparing seasoning while grilling is going on. But you can cover it when not in use to increase preparation area. It provides you with 150 square in. Swing away the rack that keeps your food warm through indirect heating. You can also cook toast buns on it. It takes care of the space you need to prepare your food, as it provides you with 2 ample space stainless steel side shelves. It has a lid-mounted temp gauge that provides you real-time temp of your grill and helps you in controlling the heat for your food better. Your grill has a durable porcelain-coated grease pan that collects all the drippings. You can also remove it for easy cleaning. It comes with a separately sold propane tank that gives you the option to grill outdoors when going on a picnic with your friends or family. Further, it has 2 7-inch wheels which allow easy movement to your grill and you can drive it to the places easily as per your wish. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Mastercook 3-burner barbecue propane gas grill. This propane gas grill has 3 stainless steel burners that can give you 30,000 BTU/HR heat for quick heat up and cooking of your food. Its long-lasting stainless steel knobs help you in controlling the heat of all the 3 burners. This creates different cooking zones and cooks your food the way you want. It comes with an integrated piezoelectric ignition system that allows you to easily ignite your grill just with the push and amp turn of a control knob. The stainless steel thermometer mounted on the lid helps you in controlling the temp of your grill. It has 2 side shelves that provide you with large space to keep or prepare other items related to your food. If not in use, you can fold them to make your grill compact and easy to move. On its front, it has a stainless steel handle and 2 castor wheels at base help you in taking it to different parts of your home for cooking. It has a whole stainless steel body, thus you can clean stains very easily, just by weeping a wet cloth piece. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.